Petrol theft is a common problem faced by middle-class two-wheeler owners, and I'm sure just like me, you must have also encountered this problem. You get up, get dressed for office, get on your bike, only to find that the petrol pipe has been either cut or plugged off and all the fuel has been siphoned. Now, I'm not saying that I'm angry with these petrol thieves. I just wish कि चाय तुझे ठंडी मिले, वाईफाई का पासवर्ड कभी ना चले, मेट्रो में लंबी लाइन हो, मटर पनीर में सिर्फ मटर हो, मुंह पे साबुन लगाए तो पानी खत्म हो जाए और छोरी को फोन लगाए तो कॉल रेट ही बढ़ जाए. But there is a remedy, and it's called a petrol lock that you can get fitted onto your bike from your local mechanic, and it does not even cost a lot. You can get one from anything between 120 rupees to 180 rupees, and it adds a level of security to your bike and hence avoids petrol theft. To help us know more about this petrol lock, we have Mohammed Shakir with us, the owner of M. Shakir Automobiles. So let's hear it from him what he has to say about this very useful lock.
एक ये लॉक होता है, ऐसा लॉक जो कि आपकी गाड़ी में पेट्रोल चोरी नहीं होगा. जब तक पेट्रोल जब तक यहाँ चाबी नहीं लगेगी जब तक पेट्रोल चोरी नहीं होगा.
It comes with a set of its own keys, and these keys are used to regulate the oil flow. So once you have to go out, you just put in the key and twist it in the on mode, and you can go out, have a ride. Once you come back, just put the lock back in the lock mode, take out the key, and you are safe from petrol theft. But there is a problem even with this system. People tend to forget the petrol lock key. They take out the main key, but they forget to take out the petrol lock key, hence defeating the purpose. But even for that, you have a solution, and it comes in the form of this handy keychain. As you can see, it's sort of like a spring, and on one end you can attach the petrol lock key, and on the other end you have your normal bike key. And because you can stretch it, so you can put in your main key and your petrol lock key, and once you have to get off the bike, because you'll remember to take off this key, you'll also remember to take off this key. But carrying this can be a bit cumbersome, and you might not always have pockets or a bag to keep this. Hence, it would be a fantabulous idea if companies who make the bikes provided this petrol lock as an OE fitment. I mean, just come to think of it, you don't have to go out of your way to get one, and it will be just one key for all your bike locks.
कुछ लोगों को पता भी नहीं होता बेचारों को, कुछों को हम बताते भी हैं, कुछों को मालूम होता है, वो कहते हैं लॉक डाल दीजिए ऑलरेडी जिनकी गाड़ी में, लेकिन बताते मैकेनिक ही हैं.
So you can get the lock pretty easily, but how long does it actually last?
ये एक लॉक लगने के बाद में तकरीबन 2 से लेकर 3 साल तक चल जाता है.
Now you must be wondering how much time from your busy schedule will you have to take out to get this lock?
मुश्किल से 2 मिनट भी नहीं लगते इसे लगाने में, बहुत शॉर्ट एंड शॉर्ट है. तो गाड़ी वालों को हेलमेट उतारने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, वो खड़ा करे गाड़ी और हम 2 मिनट में लॉक लगा देते हैं.
We highly recommend that you get this petrol lock because the higher end, higher cc bikes have a fuel injector system which does not allow for theft of petrol so easily. It's the smaller 100 to 150 cc segment bikes. Actually, even the Pulsar 220F has a very easy lock that you can just pull the pipe from and steal petrol. But bikes like the Royal Enfield and higher cc bikes like the Triumphs, the Benellis, all those, they do not have a lock like this, so it's not easy to steal petrol from them, which goes on to say that it's the rich who are largely unaffected by this petrol theft issue, because it's mostly people like you and me who have their bikes parked out in the open at night, and that is the time when these petrol thieves strike. So to keep your petrol safe in this time of increasing crude oil prices, currently the petrol price is about 71 rupees for 1 litre, and that's a lot. So if you want to save that precious fuel in your bike, then I would suggest you go for a petrol lock like this. So if you found the content in this video helpful, then make sure that you hit like button and share it with your friends, because they could surely do with this helpful information. And if you like this video and want to see more such videos and automotive reviews, then do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until the next time, ride safe, drive safe. This is Akash signing off. Bye-bye.